Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing a taste test of the Opaa Gyro Kit. So let's go. I saw these in the store the other day, so I figured I'd give them a try because I like gyros, and I've chopped up some onions and tomatoes with this, so which is kind of like a suggestion on the package, which they don't come with. So let's open this up and give it a try here. Got to do some cooking. I'll cook them up and then we'll put them together. So here we go. Okay guys, so you know what we got in here. Got your lamb meat, and you got a thing of tzatziki sauce, and got 3 flatbread. So we're gonna follow the instructions on the side here and cook it up and give it a try. So let's go see what it goes. Okay guys, cook the meat for 2 minutes in the microwave. A microwave safe plate, which paper towels do. And flatbread's 15 seconds, so I only cooked up 1 for this, so we can just give it a try. So what we're gonna do here is we'll just put in our it says 5 to 6 slices of the meat, so we're gonna do that here, that in here, and there we go. And we'll put in the tzatziki sauce, which basically is, I think it's like Greek yogurt and cucumbers. We'll put that in there. I like it. I like that a lot. So we'll just throw in some onions and tomatoes in here. And you just fold it up, they say. So there you go. Well, we'll give this thing a taste test. So here we go. If I can get it up there. Oh, good. Hey, this is better than what I get at some of the restaurants I eat at that sell gyros. The flatbread has got a really good taste. The meat's got good flavor. Oh, and this tzatziki sauce, oh my gosh, that flavor just pops out. So I highly recommend this one. So you can find this in your freezer section at your grocery store. So I recommend you go ahead and get this. So take time to comment below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel. And I do taste test videos like this. I also do cooking videos. I have a cooking video that comes out every Saturday. And I also do some sightseeing adventure type videos. So I'll see you guys next video. And remember to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm going to finish this up. My gosh.